Time passes whether we're looking at the clock or not. Time passes whether I'm caught with you that watching now.
It was peak.
You kept
It
asking
was
if
peak.
I'm extending that spot or not. Since you got what you wanted.
Okay, so yes, I finally watched Brand New Day, and the moment I was watching Brand New Day, मैंने decide कर लिया था and that I'm going to make a video on Sunday. It was such a phenomenal experience, and the movie is 10 on 10. भाई, don't mind my background. We are shooting this video रात के 10 बजे. Because I slept movie देख के आने के बाद, because last night because of excitement मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी, and I slept at 4 and मेरा 12 बजे का शो था. So yeah, I just woke up and I'm making this video. It was so good watching Spider-Man on a big screen after so many years. Last I watched him was like in 2023, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. भाई जब मैं गया थिएटर के बाहर ब्रो, इतनी भीड़ थी, इतने सारे लोग खड़े थे, and it was so good experience. The movie was so good, and it serves what it shows in the trailer. इतनी सारी जो theories थी, इतनी सारे जो fan moments थे, bro, it was all fucking worth it. Also like making this video is as hard as climbing a mountain for me, because like I haven't really made this type of videos. Like, it feels like weird pressure रहता है for making this kind of videos, and I also don't have like proper lighting and all, but I love Spider-Man, we all love Spider-Man, and I'm making this video. So yeah bro, उन्होंने इसकी swinging इस movie में like इस Spider-Man में टॉम हॉलैंड वाले Spider-Man की उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी करी है. डेस्टिन डैनियल, hands up bro, hands up. What you have directed is just so fucking good. By the way, he's the director of this movie. And sorry POV shots, भाई मैंने मूवी देखी है 3D इंग्लिश में, तो वो मीम नहीं है लाइक रेनबो एंड सनशाइन वाला, भाई मैं वैसा बैठा था पूरे थिएटर, मतलब पूरे टाइम थिएटर. वो सारे कॉमिक बुक पैनल, इफ यू फॉलो स्पाइडरमैन, इफ यू फॉलो मार्वल और कॉमिक्स इन जनरल, लाइक सो यू नो कितने सारे कॉमिक पैनल्स डेस्टिन डैनियल ने लाइक एक्चुअली क्रिएट करे थे इन द मूवीज. बहुत सारे तो ट्रेलर में देख रहे थे लाइक टेरेंटुला वाला. भाई मेरे थिएटर में इतने सारे बच्चे क्यों आए थे भाई, वो इतना दिमाग खराब कर रहे थे ना, बट ओके नेवर माइंड. एंड जैसे रूमर्स थे कि शुरू के स्टार्टिंग में ये लोग एक मोन्टाज दिखाएंगे बीच के 4 साल और उसमें क्या क्या हुआ, हाउ पीटर इवॉल्व्ड एंड हाउ स्पाइडरमैन हैंडलिंग थिंग्स इन न्यूयॉर्क. सो वो पार्ट बहुत अच्छा था, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट उसको और अच्छा कर सकते थे, लाइक और थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकते थे टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट इट वॉज सो गुड. उसमें टेरेंटुला था, उसमें स्कॉर्पियन था, उसमें टूमस्टोन था. के बाद भाई द मूवी का म्यूजिक, लेट्स टेक अ सेकंड एंड be like absolute cinema. Steve Lacy ka oh yeah, and the moment it starts playing, bhai, it was so good, and I was like I'm just singing along with the song. And जब वो MJ की हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टी में जाता, जब लूजर बाय टीम इम्पाला, it was so good. Okay, and कॉमिक बुक पैनल्स की बात करें, पहला तो टेरेंटुला वाला जो फ्लैशबैक में दिखाया था, वो it was a comic वो वाला, एंड दैट टूमस्टोन वाला. भाई इफ़ यू हैव प्लेड द गेम, इट्स लाइक उसके डिज़ाइन से बहुत ज़्यादा रिजेंबल करता है द पनिशर वाला. लाइक वो रूमर था बट वो कन्फर्म नहीं था कि जब वो उसको हॉस्पिटल में उसको लेके आता है. एंड द मोमेंट आई केम आउट ऑफ द थिएटर, भाई आई वाज जस्ट सो हैप्पी, बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट. आई लाइक द पेसिंग वॉज गुड. उसका म्यूटेशन वाला पार्ट भी बहुत अच्छा दिखाया है. It was rumored that Lee Sing is going to play Jean Grey, but it was not officially confirmed, because like Jean Grey की powers ऐसे work नहीं करती है. If you have seen X-Men, if you know X-Men, Jean Grey की power like mind manipulation तो नहीं है. Of course she is a Omega level mutant, वो Phoenix Force भी carry कर चुकी, movies में भी और comics में भी. Sadie Singh, absolute cinema. The chemistry between Frank and Spider-Man, I loved it. Seeing Frank this happy was not on my watch list. It was not on my watch list, bro, like genuinely. And if you have played Insomniac का Spider-Man वाला game, the first half of the movie feels like exactly that. It was like I'm playing the game, bro. And chase वाला scene, the swings, the combat, the fighting. The second half I thought all लंबा होना चाहिए था. And the ending, It was not a basic ending. It was such a good ending, I guess. And let's talk about the fights. Even when I'm Spider-Man, जब मैं game खेला था, I love to fight like Spider-Man as being Spider-Man, as playing Spider-Man. दो best fights for me, it Hulk versus Spider-Man वाली. Second one was Spider-Man versus the Hand वाली fight. And में, let's be honest, it was like absolute cinema. Seeing Hulk on the big screen after so many years. Last we saw him on उसके थैनोस से पिटवा दिया, फिर वो आया नहीं पाया, फिर वो प्रोफेसर हल्क बन गया, फिर उसका बेटा आ गया, फिर शील, उस बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. And I guess we gonna see Hulk in Secret Wars also. If you have read Secret War की comics, Battle World वो एक बैरन का एक रूलर रहता है. But we will see the last वाली fight. उसमें the way hand moves, the way they coordinate and fight, bro, I was like this in the theater, and we will get to see that उसने Spidey tracker बनाया. It was like played Insomniac का Spider-Man played that game, उसमें भी, and उसको देख के मुझे गेम की याद आ गया. Like post credit में we see that another Spider-Man detected. I was like, फिर उसमें वो glitch भी आता है. I was like, is it like Tobey Maguire का Spider-Man? But वो glitch आता है, so I was expecting कि ये Miles Morales वाला होगा. And also the moment hands Ned and Peter Parker, and they just go like वो भाई, it was like a muscle memory वाला meme that he knows the guy standing in front of him is his best friend Peter Parker. It's so good by seeing them reunited. And to be honest, like there are so many moments in the movie that teared me up genuinely. Jean Grey says, "Come on, go ahead, touch her," and it was so bad, like. And when Jean says, "Go ahead, touch her," it was like a betrayal. You know, it was like it was all fake. It was not MJ the whole time. And come on, let's be honest, I needed that movie. Yep. Because like from 2-3 days, I was like just sick. I was not feeling good. I was like on a bed rest, like not as in medical stuff, but like I was so low. I was so lost, and altogether it was not at all really good 4-5 days. And I also wrote a poem on like the core of that poem is like give up, on that edge of giving up. It was not good. So much things are going on, and I just felt so lost. I just felt so, it's like मैं मेरे रूम से बाहर तक नहीं निकला था. But I was avoiding social media, and it was not good. When I went to watch Spider-Man, it was like these are all the reasons why I get teared up so much while watching this movie. Like seeing you, the big screen, like you're broke. You have no friends. The one he loves doesn't remember him or doesn't love him. He's going through changes, not accepting things. He's trying to be good. He's trying his best, and he is trying and trying and trying. He just watches his friends drifting apart from afar away, and he sees his friends' lives from afar. He's not a part of it anymore. And lastly, he was alone. These are the similarities. I felt that. I guess I needed that movie. Watching movies is like a escape mechanism to me. And some movies just hit you like where you are. And of course, Spider-Man as like he's my favorite hero. I admire him so much. Like all love it when you know Uncle Ben, with great powers come great responsibilities. What if you don't have great powers? You're just an ordinary person, you know. And I was about to make a video on the poem I wrote a few days back. I didn't, like, I don't know, I didn't have the guts, I didn't have the energy, to be honest. It was like a bad 3-4 days. And I guess the one thing this movie teaches you is that change is constant, and you have to accept that and live with that. And there are like so many messages that movie conveys, you know. If you're missing a friend, go tell them, message them, call them, doesn't matter. Just let them know. As the movie name says, brand new day. There's always a brand new day for me, for you, to start again, to start over again, to dream again, to try again. And that's why it's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. He never gives you a speech, but he had those emotional and just so relatable moments that just get hope. I don't know, that doesn't make any sense, but why does it have to make sense? To be honest, I am speaking my heart out here. This is my favorite character. I wanted to talk about it. I'm not a critic. I'm not a movie reviewer. I don't care about it. I just wanted to make this video for watching the ending explanation, post explanation videos, because I don't wanted my opinions, my feeling to be like to get behind the doors again, to be not expressed. Because as Spider-Man, you help as much as you can, and that also means helping you, and that includes you. If you're helping everyone, why can't you help yourself? I decided, and I just wanted to make this video, and I'm making it, and I'm genuinely loving it, because there are like very few times when I genuinely speak out my heart. But yeah, it's Spider-Man, bro. It's not like got my questions all answered, still unanswered. It's still like, bro, it's still a lost feeling. But it's better to have hope. Hope is the best thing you can keep to yourself. You can give to others. But giving someone hope is like is like a very underrated thing. For someone, it's just like a normal or day-to-day thing. But for someone, it's like you're giving them a reason to live, wake up again another day. For me, it was this movie. Like I needed that. Why can't we just give ourselves another day, another hope, call it a brand new day? And as lastly, the movie was a 10 out of 10 experience. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. I cried watching the movie, to be honest. It's totally worth it. It gave me hope again, try again to make this video, to live again. It hits hard, when you're slept for days, you're just bed rotting, you're just losing hope, you're just trying but not trying at the same time. You're just all by yourself, and you don't know what is true and what is not. And Into the Spider-Verse, like as Spider-Man Noah says, it's all a leap of faith. It's all a leap of faith. So we just live up to it, and we try again. We wake up, we try again. We cry, we fall, we try again. Yeah, that's what life is. And I guess, yeah, that was it for the video. Thanks a lot if you're watching till now. I know I yapped a lot. I'm a listener type of guy, but if you're still watching till now, that means a lot to me. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. Not for me, but for Spider-Man. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, not lose hope and try again and have a brand new day. So, bye bye.